So hello everyone, welcome back to lmsbaba.com. In this session, I will update you how to manage a lead. So this lead has been captured, and now I will tell you how you can respond to this lead. So there are basically three mediums to respond any buyer. One is through email, other is through WhatsApp, and third one is through call. And call is having two mediums these days. One is the WhatsApp call, and other is the SIM call. So all four things you can manage from this screen only. So if you wish to contact to your buyer on email, you just reply here, type your message. If you wish to add any document, or if you wish to add your company brochure, you check it and send. Then the mail will go to the buyer. The other option, is the WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, generally the process is that if first you have to save that number in your address book in your mobile, then check on your WhatsApp app whether that number is available on WhatsApp or not, and then you would able to send the message. But here you no need to follow these 2-3 steps. You just type your message, click send message, and it will take you on web.whatsapp screen. On this screen, if that number is available on WhatsApp, then it will open this screen without saving. Now you can see this number is not saved in my contact book, and now the message which I have typed there is here. I will just click to send, and the message has been delivered. And here on this screen, it is asking me whether this WhatsApp message has been sent or not. Yes, I have sent. If I would have not sent, then I will select this. And if in case the number was not available on WhatsApp, then I need to select this. So I'm selecting yes, I have sent WhatsApp message. Another is that you can change the next follow-up date. If I change this next follow-up date on 14th or 13th, so my next follow-up date will be changed here. Now the other option in WhatsApp is that some predefined messages, that if I want to send only lead acknowledgement message, I will just click here and the message automatically will be crafted, and I can send, just clicking here I can send that message to the buyer. It will open my web.whatsapp screen again, and the complete message are printed here. The complete message is printed here, and now I have just click here and send. Now this acknowledgement, the receipt of the inquiry acknowledgement WhatsApp has been sent to the buyer, and again I have to select okay, I have sent yes. All the communication which I am making through this LMS Baba is getting recorded here in lead history. So whatever communication you are doing with the buyer is getting recorded here in lead history. It is a very important feature of this system, because next time when I will come to follow this lead, I need to understand what last I have discussed with the buyer. So every communication is mentioned here in lead history. So it is easy to start my conversation from the end point. Now coming next to the call feature. On this feature, I just need to click here, and yes, I want to do the call to this person. Yes, I do it. We have a very small app which will be installed in user's mobile, and as soon I will click on this link, yes, I do it, then a notification will appear on my mobile whether I want to call this buyer on WhatsApp, or it will be a normal SIM call. Whatever call I will select, I can the call will be connected. Post the when you will dispose the call, it will ask you whether the call was talked or not talked. If the call was talked, it will ask you to fill the MOM, what you discussed with the buyer. There is a small screen where you need to type the conversation, and if you once you will submit that, there would be option to reschedule the call again. So once you will submit that, again the conversation will be recorded in lead history. And if in case the call was not talked, then it will ask you what was the reason behind. So the number was not reachable, or something else, and then submit it again. Everything will be recorded here. So there all three mediums